Once you turn 18, nobody owes you anything, but you owe it to yourself to grind, to grow, and to go after the life you want. Look at Jay-Z, Cristiano Ronaldo, Eminem, Rihanna, Tom Cruise. They didn't wait for handouts. They worked every single day. They believed, even when no one else did. Hard work changed their lives, not luck, not wishing, not waiting. You have that same power. The world owes you nothing, but you owe yourself everything. Pray, work, believe, and most of all, start, no matter how small. I love you all. If this hit your heart, like, share, follow, subscribe. Channel name, Thought of Sharing. Let's grow together.